Hello students, I hope you are fine and doing well. Today I am making this video because today, that is 16th July, is very important day as far as Indian agriculture history is concerned. If you are students of agriculture or allied subjects like horticulture, forestry, veterinary science, then you must understand, you must know about ICAR. ICR, which stands for Indian Council of Agriculture Research, was established on this very day, that is 16th July 1929, on the recommendation of Royal Commission on Agriculture Report 1928. So, why there is need to talk about ICR and why today's students must know what is ICR, how does it function, what kind of role it has played in the transformation of Indian agriculture and the food security that our nation today is having, what kind of role ICR has played. So let's try to find out in this video. So as I said, ICR stands for Indian Council of Agriculture Research, which was established on 16th July 1929. It is an apex body, supreme body for coordinating and managing agriculture education, research, and to certain extent, to limited extent, extension also. And ICR function under the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, which has very specific department, which is known as their Department of Agriculture, Research and Education. So ICR function under the DARE, and ICR has around 113 ICR institutes. Some of them are very popular and very important, like IARI, Indian Agriculture Research Institute, NDRI, National Dairy Research Institute, IVRI, Indian Veterinary Research Institute, and like this there are so many, more than 100. In fact, exactly if I talk about right now, it has 113 ICR institute. So why ICR is considered as one of the largest national agriculture research system in the world? Because it has more than 6,000 scientists working under this whole system. And ICR has played very significant and transformative role as far as food and nutritional security of India was concerned. You can understand the importance of ICR by knowing the history of Indian agriculture. When our nation got freedom, we were hardly producing that much food grain so that we can feed our nation. We were only producing, even I will say, we are not producing enough so that we can feed our nation. That's why we had to dependent for our food security to other nation. You must know the story of PL 480 program, where we had to kind of request from United States to export, to give their feed, which was kind of low grade, so that we can feed our people. By the technology which has been developed by the scientists working under ICR, India, since its independence, increases its food grain production around 5.6 times. As far as horticulture production is concerned, it has increases around 10 times from the since independence. Same story is there for the milk production. Once we were not producing enough milk so that we can feed our children, we can feed our people, and now we are world number one as far as milk production is concerned. So ICR has played very transformative role in securing food and nutrition security for our people. Beside this, ICR also coordinate research and education across our country. Right now we are having around 71 or 72 state agriculture universities. So the major guidelines, the major policy, what kind of courses universities will offer to their students, what kind of syllabus they will be teaching, content they will be teaching to their students. The major guidelines is decided by ICR through various dean committee, and then it will be followed, yeah, it is being followed by the various state universities and colleges across our country. So in nutshell, I wanted to talk about this day because being a student from agriculture science, we must know what is ICR. So I hope this video will be really helpful in making your understanding about ICR quite easy. Thank you so much, everyone.